Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to receive SMS notifications when you're tagged on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Locate and click on the notification icon situated in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Click on the three dots next to the See All button. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. Step 5. Look for Tags and click on it to open the settings. Step 6. Choose between Anyone, Friends, or Friends of Friends to determine who can tag you. Step 7. Toggle on the switch next to SMS to enable receiving notifications via text messages. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to stay updated with tags on Facebook through SMS notifications. Never miss an important mention or tag again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.